Today, I'm making simple automatic fish feeder. There are two settings, interval and hours between feeding. But now, I'm working in seconds mode for faster testing. There will be a 48-hour cycle in the final version. The second setting is for the duration of motor spinning. Longer time for motor spinning means more food for your fishes. Now let's add some more hours between feeding. This is a first version of the whole body of the feeder. Let's push some feed in it to test it. Simple, cheap, and really effective. Stay with me for complete design and tutorial. Everything is for